Hi. Hi, Elliot. Yeah. What do you have to say? What are those your feet? Are those your feet? Yes, I'm teething and it hurts. I love you. Oh, your little toes. Look at those toesies. Yeah. Boo. Boo. I love you. Yeah. See, for every good and perfect gift comes from God. And you are my gift. And you are my gift. And you are my gift. And and I love you, Pumpkin. I love you. Say bye bye. Bye bye. Say bye bye.